smartphone technology so-called East YouTube channel. Today we're gonna unboxing the brand new Realme 5 Pro smartphone. Without losing any time, let's jump into the video.
This is the box, which is almost similar to Realme X and Realme 5. Let me open it and show you what's inside the box. Let's check it out. A small paper box which contains a TPU case which is flexible and a user manual and warranty card. This is the Realme 5 Pro. Yes, it looks like a Pro device. Looks pretty cool. Crystal green looks stunning. Charger, that is VOOC, that is bundled in the box. Thanks Realme. Now it comes with the USB Type-C port and Type-C cable. There are 3 variants of these smartphones are available in the market: 4GB, 6GB and 8GB models at affordable price. 2 color choices are crystal green and sparkling blue. Let's look at the physical overview. There is a mic for noise cancellation. On the bottom, audio jack, main mic, Type-C port and speaker grill. On the left side, volume keys and SIM tray. Go on to the right side, power on off button. We can put 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card at the same time. It's good. Crystal green looking good. The diamond cut design is unique, but the thing is annoying, like carbonate body. On Realme, it's 2019. Coming to the display, the screen is 19.5:9 aspect ratio. On 3 Full HD plus IPS LCD display, 90.3% screen to body ratio. The quality of the screen is great. It comes with the massive 4035 mAh battery, powered by the powerful Snapdragon 712 chipset, which is made on 10nm FinFET architecture technology. I think it is not a huge upgrade from Realme 3 Pro. The smartphone is smooth. The software experience is very fine. Finally, the big highlight of this device is quad camera. On the rear side, primary camera is the flagship Sony IMX586 sensor, 8MP wide angle, 2MP macro and portrait lens. Coming to the front camera, it is Sony IMX471 sensor. Let me show you some sample shots which are taken with the Realme 5 Pro. This is ultra 48MP shot. This picture is rich in detail. You can see the nightscape mode and the selfie. The quality of the front facing camera is good. It is running on the Android version 9 with the color OS 6. The physical fingerprint scanner is very responsive and very fast. This is the
That's it
box,
now,
which is
guys.
almost similar
Like
to
my
Realme
video,
X
don't
and
forget to
Realme.
like, share and subscribe
I
to
open
my
it and
YouTube
show you.
channel. I'm Siju Yohannan from Everything About Smartphone Technology YouTube channel.